A civil authority has issued a civil emergency message for the following counties/areas. Level 2 evacuation warning south of Highway 228 between IRD and Rush Creek not already in Level 3, south to Lynn County line. This area is being upgraded from Level 1 notice to Level 2 warning. High probability of a need to evacuate. You should prepare now by packing necessary items and preparing your family, pets, and vehicle for potential departure.